Qui est Ahmed Jalal?
Bonjour, Monsieur Abou Faris. Donc, je suis très heureux tout d'abord de vous recueillir ici pour discuter un petit peu, pour vous donner une introduction sur notre activité scientifique. Concernant ta question, donc, Ahmed Jalal, c'est un professeur de la physique théorique à l'Université Chouaib Doukkali, plus exactement à la faculté de sciences, département de physique.
Comment vous est venue l'idée d'organiser l'école internationale d'été sur le graphène?
Donc, l'organisation est basée sur mes activités scientifiques et donc il faut pour cela, pour répondre à cette question, donc il fallait quand même dire certains mots sur mes activités scientifiques. Donc, j'ai commencé la recherche en 1995 à travers ma thèse de doctorat national à Rabat à l'université de Mohamed V. Et après ça, donc j'avais plusieurs occasions de travailler avec des gens à l'échelle internationale avec des grands calibres, soit en Turquie, soit en Allemagne, soit en Italie, soit en Afrique du Sud, soit en plusieurs pays du monde. Et avec mes contacts, donc j'ai dit que pourquoi pas donc notre pays sera également l'honneur d'être parmi les grands pays qui travaillent sur le graphène. Donc pour
Et s'il vous plaît, c'est quoi au juste le graphène?
le graphène, c'est tout simplement donc c'est un système à deux dimensions qui a la forme hexagonale et basé sur le carbone. Donc le carbone qu'on utilise souvent dans les crayons, dans les cartes magnétiques, ainsi de suite. Donc c'est sa géométrie qui est bizarre, qui donne ce comportement qui est différent des semi-conducteurs, ainsi de suite. Donc le graphène en général, c'est un système de dimensions avec des électrons qui se déplacent sous forme hexagonale, c'est tout.
Merci. Et je remarque que vos invités sont nombreux. Combien de pays participent à cette école?
Cette école est en principe, comme je l'ai dit avant, peut-être c'est limité dans un certain nombre de pays, peut-être c'est 5 ou 6. Donc c'est l'Algérie, le Brésil, et l'Afrique, et l'Arabie Saoudite, l'Amérique, la Belgique et d'autres pays. Donc, mais on envisage d'avoir plusieurs pays l'année prochaine, Inch'Allah.
Et le nombre de jeunes chercheurs étudiants en physique de graphène, à peu près, c'est combien?
Donc le nombre de participants, donc soi-disant les étudiants locaux, c'est à peu près donc c'est entre 15 et 18 étudiants. Donc on a aussi des étudiants qui viennent de nous rejoindre de l'étranger, donc c'est à peu près le nombre, c'est entre 5 et 6.
Cette école va durer combien de jours?
Cette école est allée de 25 juin au 05 juillet.
Et il n'y a que les études, il n'y a pas de distraction par exemple?
Oui, effectivement, donc en tant que scientifique, il fallait faire des repos quand même. Donc, pour cela, donc, on a organisé des excursions.
Excursion, oui.
Excursions, donc plus exactement donc, le week-end, le samedi et le dimanche prochain. Donc on va organiser tour à partir de Jadida jusqu'au Safi et le dimanche vers le Sawir, Inch'Allah.
Merci bien, M.
Merci
Jalal.
beaucoup. J'aimerais bien vous remercier le site Mazagan 24 sur cette intervention et c'est le premier site en fait qui nous a contacté, ou bien c'est le premier média qui nous a contacté pour dire ce qu'on veut, pour dire ce qu'on rêve à réaliser, pour dire. Donc je vous remercie vraiment très chaleureusement et je tiens encore je félicite sincèrement de cette solidarité, de cette coopération pour rendre ce qu'on fait à l'échelle publique. Donc c'est une très bonne chose et je veux remercier encore une autre fois.
Je remercie aussi le site El Jadida 24.
Ah oui, donc je remercie également, pour ne pas oublier, je remercie également le site El Jadida 24 pour cette collaboration magnifique.
Merci.
De rien.
Predicted, but is not shown yet, and it has very different consequences. But as I said before, these are really very nice things which we have in high energy. For example, this theta, which you have seen in axionic field theory, it is instead of taking A's as abelian, take them as non-abelian, so it's QCD. Then it will give you this, probably you all heard, although maybe you don't know what does it mean, is the theta vacuum of QCD, and it gives you some information about that. And here it is not observed quite well, but here a system which realizes somehow those things are seen. So it may be interesting, especially in the last case, there are the paper which gives you superconductivity and voltage superconductivity and oxygen field theory together, and these are, as I said, going very rapidly. So the main thing, in fact, I myself and the students look for the similarities more with the particle physics and try to understand from that point of view. Thank you. So I'm sorry that these are very technical, but as I said, one should do another school on topology newspapers. So, but it is somehow related to gravity, so I wanted to tell you at least to show that there are some new ideas.
Maybe next year, I mean, organize it. Yes, you make a good stage. You read my mind.
Because I myself know better topology newspapers than organize.
You bring people who will
give introductory lectures. Okay, so thank you for your patience and
any questions, please, further questions, because of us.
I think nobody understood anything, so
okay, I'll leave it. We talk. We talk.
No, just
We
want to hear.
I don't want to waste your time.
No, there is still have time.
No. We'll talk about it later. It's not so interesting to the audience. Maybe the few of us, the few of you can discuss it later.
but if students would like to do it, I mean, just take this, even for 2 dimensions. Take this U which I define, and the Hamiltonian, Dirac Hamiltonian with this K, just so the matrices, and try to see if really it diagonalizes that matrix. It is just a simple example. So if somebody is interested
from 3 plus 1 to 2 plus 1, just
two dimension I have shown yesterday.
Yeah.
So it is the same thing, because I have given the general stuff, but in 2 dimensions it will be just sigma matrices. So it will be even easier than here. So if somebody is interested, just sorry.
Please, loudly, talk loudly.
I don't understand your
Talk loudly.
I just wanted to know, can you explain to us about the Greek phase in a very simple language? About the Greek phase.
Can you explain the very thing? Very simple language.
Physically, or with some simple example. I don't know. It's just.
In fact,
I know from the mathematics point of view. I still think that.
From this point of view, I hope everybody heard about Aharonov pointer. You know that, right? What is Aharonov pointer? If students see it in quantum mechanics scope in the 3rd year of undergraduate, it is really you take a solenoid, okay? You put the solenoid, which means that you have a magnetic field in this direction. Okay? It's just the solenoid, and very thin solenoid, and just send your electrons. I mean, normally let's forget about this solenoid. Send 2 electrons in double slit. You'll have an interference pattern on the slit. Okay? Now, put a solenoid in between, but not on the way of the electrons. It is in between the ways. Okay. Now, when you see that it is a magnetic field, and the magnetic field which is not on the way of the electrons shouldn't make any effect on the electrons. In principle, from classical point of view, you always
B is 0 because
V is equal to 0. So what is the point? It shouldn't see anything about the speed. But it is not the case. Because there are some different explanations, but it is in fact the Baire phase. Because you have a topology, and this topology in between is really on the space. So if you would like to have an object go begin from here and returning back ultimately, which means that without changing its energy, so it's always in the same state, you see that it earns a topological dynamical phase. In fact, this is the same thing, this is the Berry phase, and Berry phase is in other gas Aharonov-Bohm effect, which shows you this
So it shows that physical
difference.
You gave is the classical definition of the Aharonov-Bohm effect, which is the one particular case. He's talking about in graphene. What does this mean?
In graphene,
In-
have 1 to 2 in lambda or whatever, and then
I don't get the graphene part, I'm sorry. I thought that you were talking about in general things.
in non-conductivity. In non-conductivity, you have one which says that it comes from the Berry phase.
The one half.
You mean one half?
Oh, yeah, this you should not him, not me, because he says all the facts stuff.
You are talking about this 1/2 in
Yeah.
quantized conductivity?
Yeah.
So Rohit, can you give you explanation or
No,
I will
he
give you?
said, he said he has
I will give you explanation of this.
Here,
I know, okay.
you know, there I should say that I don't know the details, so I
Yeah,
never
but
talk
you want to
the
see
details.
detail, not to work.
I
Everybody knows
use
that.
only in graphene, and a very ratio
Like
is
the
different
Aharonov.
from case to case.
That's it.
So which in electronic system, there are a lot of definitions.
So against the production of this oil, it says that it's a kind of
Is it like a
drug.
drug? Like a drug?
I've
Well,
seen
if
this
he,
in-
Omar
no,
doesn't know.
I've seen this in Jazeera.
I hear it for the first time, I don't know.
No. What kind?
Oh, and these guys, they came and they complained against this village, against the government. They say that this is our, how to say?
Probably it's very local, very small.
So it's local. It serves the village.
Because I've never seen anything like this in Turkey.
No, so I have seen this in
Oil,
Al Jazeera. And it says that this is it's all the planned for us. We do it many years ago. This is our sources to survive and something like that. And,
They find an alternative for
yes,
them.
and they make bread for they starve. They make kind of cook.
I don't know what it is.
But
On Turkish newspapers, I don't see.
But the government.
You know the area? The name of the area?
They missed the name of the area. But this is Al Jazeera. They show it in Al Jazeera. And it says that because they realize that there is some kind of when they analyze this the oil.
Toxic.
Yeah, toxical. Yes, you're right.
Yeah, it may be.
Toxical, and also they give you some like sort of
Similar.
sort of beans.
Yeah. Because also where? I don't know, the
I don't
south or Asir or somewhere. I heard they have this kind of plant. They have seed, they grind it, and then they make oil out of it, and maybe it has some effect, which is either
قد رحت اليمن
poison.
من قبل دكتور عبد العزيز ما رحت اليمن
But in Algeria there is something else.
What?
Yes, I can tell you
بس
later.
تعرف احنا في الحجاز زملائنا اليمنيين
شيخ
أنت من
برضو
الحجاز
شيخ
جاي من
حسين.
المدينة. انا من عايش
They
معاهم
have they produce generals.
شوف أخبار اليمن موجودة
كلها.
Military
كنا
generals.
نبني بيتنا هذا قبل 40 سنة أو 45 سنة كنت معاهم طوب كانوا يغنوا وأنا حفظت والبابور مسافر يا شوف
هذا واحد راح المطعم، واحد فقير بده ياكل، فجاء واحد دبر عليه قال ادخل المطعم هذا فاخر. One poor guy and one clever man told him, okay, you want to eat a good food, go to this 6-star restaurant, this boy 10, and then eat whatever you can, and then at the end
أعطيله عشان يشيلها.
ما اكل خبز كثير يا اخي، لا احد ياكل خبز كثير يا شيخ. So he told him, when you finish, just take small anything, mouse, put it inside the soup, and then tell him, call the waiter and tell him, he will just tell you, please, just leave. So the guy entered, he asked for shrimp,